Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix all basic errors in the Monopoly Go app in simple and easy steps. Step 1. Check your internet connection. First, make sure your internet is working properly. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or turn airplane mode on and off. Then open the Monopoly Go app again. Step 2. Restart the Monopoly Go app. Now close the app completely from recent apps. Wait a few seconds, then open it again. This often fix a small glitch and loading problems. Step 3. Restart your phone. Now turn your phone off, wait about 30 seconds, then turn it back on. Then try opening Monopoly Go app again. Step 4. Update the Monopoly Go app. Now open the App Store or Google Play Store, then search for Monopoly Go and tap update if available. Update fix bugs and improve performance. Step 5. Reinstall the app. If the problem continues, uninstall Monopoly Go, restart your phone and install it again from the App Store or Google Play Store, then log back into your account. And that's how you can fix all basic errors in the Monopoly Go app. Also follow those simple steps and your Monopoly Go app should work smoothly again. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.